What's up guys, here's Claudio from Elementor WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to hide a section or a content of our page made by Elementor WordPress plugin on your mobile or on your tablet view, but keep showing it into the desktop view of your page. So imagine that every single page on your site have three versions, okay? The mobile version, the tablet version, and the desktop version, okay? How to hide a section of your site or a content of your site into one of those versions. This is what we're gonna learn to this video using Elementor WordPress plugin. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to choose internet on a site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do, navigate to any page that you would like to hide some section, okay? And into the upper side of your page, next to your browser tabs, you can see a button called Edit with Elementor. If you install Elementor plugin, you're gonna be able to see this button right here. If you still don't have Elementor, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins, click on Add New Plugin, okay? And into the upper left corner of your screen, upper right corner of your screen, click into search plugins and type Elementor, just like this. And install the plugin. It's free, you have no need to purchase things or to go pro, okay? You're gonna keep it all for free, and this is the plugin, okay? After installed, you're gonna click into the activate button, and you're gonna be able to see the Edit with Elementor button into the top section of every single page of your site. Hover your mouse over it and click on Edit with Elementor. You're gonna be loading the front-end editor, okay? The way that you edit pages using Elementor. And now we're gonna need to select the section where you would like to hide on mobile. Imagine that this section right here, it's good for my desktop, but truly bad for my mobile. So I would like to hide this section. First, I'm gonna find the section or the content, okay? You can click into the content or click into the entire section, into this option right here. Now review the left sidebar of menus, the edition menus, the edit section tabs. We have layout, style, and advanced. We're gonna move to advanced tab. Scroll down until you see a little tab called responsive, okay? Next, show attributes all motion effects. Responsive. Click on it, and now review the visibility options. Responsive visibility will take effect only on preview mode or live page and not whole edition Elementor, okay? So remember this. Hide on desktop, hide on tablet, hide on mobile. Now imagine that I would like to hide this section just on mobile, but keep showing it on tablet and desktop. I'm gonna switch this button right here, just like this. And now we're gonna update my page. We're gonna clear up the site cache, okay, so in order to see the actual results of the page, not a previously saved page, to make it load faster. And you are good to go. Now imagine that I changed my mind, okay? I want to show this section into mobile, into tablet, but not into desktop. This is what I'm gonna do. Simple, easy, and very effective. Now, always remember, click into the update button to save. And that is. You are good to go, and you can set the layouts that you want. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor Gutenberg. Or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Or Sites.gallery, that is a place where you can, a CSS gallery where you can submit your site for receiving and publishing guest posts. That is a place where you can promote your page, your app, your landing page, your design awards. And Finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition to premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more pro features. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!